The fascinating history of dentures, from ancient civilizations to modern innovations. Dentures are the most common treatment option for people who've lost their natural teeth as a result of dental decay, aging, or trauma. They are removable and replace missing teeth, come with a lengthy and intriguing history, dating many thousands of years ago back to the ancient civilizations. Ancient civilizations. Dentures concept is traced to the ancient times of that of Egyptians, Etruscans, and Romans. In Egypt, about 1500 BC, dentures created from either animal or human teeth bonded together by gold wires has been discovered. The Etruscans are one of the earliest Italian civilization, also developed dentures that were made from animal or human teeth, which were then bonded with gold bands. The Romans created dentures further by using bone and ivory material for teeth. Medieval Europe. In the Middle Ages in Europe, dentures were usually made of the teeth of people who died. People with wealth were able to afford dentures constructed out of the teeth of other people, and those who were less fortunate had to pay for dentures made of ivory or teeth of animals. The dentures could be uncomfortable and could lead to infection and oral health issues. 18th and 19th centuries. The period between the 18th and 19th century witnessed significant advances in technology for dentures. It was in 1774 that Alexis du Château, a French dentist, developed dentures using porcelain for the first time. The porcelain dentures were much more durable and gave a natural appearance compared to other material. It was in 1820 that Samuel Stockton, an American dentist, released the first set of full dentures constructed of porcelain. The advent of vulcanized rubber during the 19th century transformed the industry of dentures. Charles Goodyear, an American chemical engineer, developed the technique of vulcanization. It required heating the rubber in order to improve its strength. The process allowed dentists to make lower cost and comfortable dental prostheses that their customers could afford. Modern innovations. Through both the 20th and 21st century, the technology for dentures has continued to improve with the introduction of new techniques and materials. Acrylic resin has become the most popular material used to make dentures because it's light, tough, and easily customizable in order to suit the color and appearance naturally occurring teeth. Thermoplastic dentures with flexible material are becoming popular because of their flexibility and comfort. Implant-supported dental implants have revolutionized the method of securing dentures within the mouth. Implants placed surgically inside the jawbone. They act as an anchor for dentures. This provides greater support and stability to the person wearing them. Implant-supported dental dentures are a preferred alternative for people who require the most durable solution to missing teeth. 3D printing has made a huge impact in the field of denture. Dentists now have the ability to design detailed and precise dentures with 3D printing technology and scanning that result in a comfy and natural-looking fitting for patients. Technology has helped make the process of getting dentures more speedy and efficient. The history of dentures spans an interesting journey through time, from early societies using primitive materials and modern advancements utilizing the most modern technology. Dentures are on the rise in terms of durability, comfort, and appearance, making them an increasingly popular option when people want to restore their smiles and boost their dental well-being. Dentures are constantly evolving in terms of technological advancements. The future appears good for patients seeking dental prosthetics.